Now, this is my milk. I'm going to be measuring my milk like this. You see my milk? 1 cup. You see, 2 cups. Now, I've gotten 3 cups of milk. 3 cups of milk. Now, you shift it aside. This is my condensed milk. Hope you are seeing it. Condensed milk. We are going to use 1/4 cup and see how it's going to be like. I open it. Condensed milk. Now I go like this. I'm showing you exactly the measurement I'm using. I hope you are seeing it. Thank you. This is my condensed milk. Now, you see the measurement I'm using. You see, make sure you remove everything like inside. You see, now you keep it aside. You come back, you mix it very well. You see the way I'm turning it. You make sure you turn it very well. This is the time for us to use our hand. Now, you go into using our hand. You cool down to mix it very well. You can see it's coming together. Make sure everything comes together. You see it's coming together. This is the best candies one can do at home. Hope you're seeing it. You see, looking at this now, you find out that it's too thick. No sugar, no flour. Only 2 things required. I hope you are seeing it. 2 things required. You just put small to make it to be a little bit soft. Okay? Now we mix it very well. You can see now I've gotten a softness. You see? You see? You see? Now we are going to divide this into 3. You see? I'm going to divide this into 3. You see, I've divided this into 3. I hope you are seeing it. Into 3 parts. So that you can use based on our color. Okay? Thank you, everyone. The best cut this one can do at home. Divided this into 3. Hope you are seeing it. I'm going to divide this into 3. I've removed this one. I'm going to be using milk. You understand? Milk. I'm going to use this one to do plain one. I hope you are seeing plain one. Looking at it like this. I hope you are seeing. You got any choice of your color? You see? You try and mix all of them to be equal. You see, very smooth. How do you like it? See? You see, I finished moving the first set. The first set is plain one. You can see it. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. Now we are going into the second set. You see my color. Wine color, or you call it red color, as the case might be. Now we go into mixing. That's why I first of all do plain one, so that it will not mix up. Make sure you mix everything very well. You see the one I'm mixing it. You can see I mix it in the mixing. You touch your hand, milk on your hand. You see the way? Going to be molding it. You make sure all of them go the same side. Touch milk on your hand, okay? Milk on your hand. Or you can use sugar powder. Are you getting me? You can see I've finished molding the red one. You see, we're going into another color now. Now, this is egg yellow. We want to mix the egg yellow. I hope you are seeing it. So that we can get 3 colors of our choice. You see the one mixing the egg yellow. You can see the egg yellow. I hope you are seeing it. Egg yellow. We have gone into egg yellow. Make sure there is milk in your hand. Milk in your hand. Now you go with the egg yellow. Hope you are seeing it. You see, mix it very well. Egg yellow. You can see, well, make sure always milk in your hand. Milk will make it to be very smooth. Hope you are seeing it. Milk in your hand. You see my egg yellow. Milk in your hand. But the milk will not be much. See? Hope you are seeing it. See what we have achieved. After molding now, we go into wrapping. Wrapping. We go into wrapping. See? Very easy to wrap. You can use this for party. As Christmas is approaching, you can equally use this for children. You know, children like this colorful, children like this colorful thing. You can use this for them. They will appreciate you and they will like it. I hope you are getting me. You see, now you can see what I've been able to achieve. You see the one folding. By the special grace of God, you can see what I've achieved. You see, Christmas is approaching. You can equally do something like this for your children. Or if you go to village, you can do it for them and they will be happy and they will like you and they will not forget you. You see what I am able to achieve now. I hope you are seeing it. See what I am able to achieve. Thank you very much. Please try to subscribe to my channel and I'll be giving you a new thing on weekly. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. You see, thank you so much. This is my candy I prepared for today. Thank you so much for watching. You see, I have red color. You call it wine. I have white. I have egg yellow color, any color of your choice. Thank you.